Alright guys, Toyota Camry 2017. The plate light bulb, one work, the other one doesn't work. So I'm gonna show you guys how to change this bulb, easy way. So I went through a hassle just to learn that we don't need to do all that. What you need to do is get a flathead screwdriver. You need to remove this little guy just by pulling from here. So you're gonna pull from here, and right here. You're gonna get this cover off, okay? So pretty much, this is a cover right here. So it has 3 clip retainers, 1, 2, and 3. After that, what you want to do is, my friend is gonna hold the camera right here for me. You want to go use your pick right in back of this to pull this guy. All I'm doing is yanking on this guy forward and out, and we should be able to get this guy out of there. I'm gonna try to use this little guy right here. So it's a little complicated, but we should be able to get this off. There you go. So all I did was go in back of it, and what I did was pull, and it came out very easy. So it just clips on to the edges here. And after that, what I want to do is, you want to pull this bulb out, just the bulb, okay? I did take off the connector back here. So I'm going to put this connector back in, so we don't need to do none of that. You don't need to remove any of this, okay? Don't remove any of these clips that I took apart like an idiot. So all I did was pull out this bulb, and I'm going to go get another bulb. Just hold on to the camera right there. So, I got a bulb here. 194 is the bulb. You can plug this bulb either way, okay? Make sure your hands are nice and clean. You don't have oil on it, and that's how this bulb will go bad fast. So after that, what you want to do here is, you want to take this little guy. You want to close this up the same way that we took this apart. So you're going to hear a snap, okay? It's just going to snap right in. Okay, let's see if it's this way. Okay, it's not this way. Okay, I'm wrong. This is the way. There you go. You hear that snap? That's how easy that was. After that, you want to take this bezel, okay, and you snap it right back in. Snap it off and snap it back in. That's how simple it is to change this bulb.